Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Have you ever wanted to learn coding or build your own cool gadgets? Well, you are in the right place. Today we will dive into the world of microbit. So what exactly is microbit? It's a teeny programmable computer designed to make learning coding and electronics super fun and easy. Think of it's a little brain you can tell what to do, and it has a bunch of cool features like 505 LED display, button sensors, and even Bluetooth. Front side microbit have a 5 into 5 LED matrix. It has 25 LED to arrange in a 5 into 5 grid. Have micro USB for feed code and connect to computers, and have a touch sensitive logo, and uh, and have a users button A and B. You can press the button to interact with your program. Have 5 input output pins. They are available as a large code ring for connecting external components using elegance. Have microphone. It detects sound like clipping or cloud noise. Okay, let's understand the front side part in detail. Have 5 to the 5 LED. LEDs. It had 25 LED arranged in 5 into 5 grid, perfect for showing pattern, symbol, and text. Have two programmable button. You can press then and button to interact with the program. Have the code logo. Yes, the microbit logo itself acts as a touch sensors and have microphone sensor. It can react a loud and quick noise and also measure how loud environment. Have micro USB port for connecting to the computer to upload code, power the device and for data transfer. Also have a 5 to 5 input output pin that can use for connecting external components like LED sensors and motors. Have pin 0 to pin 2, pin 3, 3 board power provide 3 board external. Have pin ground used for ground. The microbit have more than 5 input output pin, each full gauge connector, 25 in total. Okay, when we talk about the backside of a microbit, have battery connectors, have reset buttons, and have status LED red for power and yellow for USB. Have processor and temperature sensor. Also have good speaker and have compass and accelerometer meter and have a microphone and have USB interface chip. Also have radio and Bluetooth antenna. Okay, uh, let's understand all these things in detail for learning purpose and make program. You need to understand all this part. Have battery connectors allow powering the microbit with the battery pack. Reset button used to restart the microbit program or power down the device. Have a status LED like LED indicate the power status. Yellow LED show the USB activity. Have micro USB port for downloading and power the microbit, and also a processor. The brain of microbit is responsible for executing instruction. It also contains a temperature sensor so we can measure how warm, and have a micro USB socket download program to your microbit from a computer and power it is using its USB interface. Have interface chip. Have a speaker. The microbit which sounds has built-in speaker so you can more easily add music and more things. Have microphone. The new microbit microphone have indicator LEDs and fix the back of the board. The LED lights up when it monitoring sound level and visible for microphone icon on the front. They have radio and Bluetooth antenna. Your microbit can communicate with other microbits by radio and with other device using Bluetooth. It's a backside of microbit. So by using the microbit, you design a lot of robotics project like Mars rover, humanoid, and other types of robotics project you can design by using microbit. So I hope you understand about the microbit and parts of microbit. Have any issues, have any doubts, please let me know.